Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot for LinkedIn lead capture with forms step by step clearly. To install HubSpot for LinkedIn lead capture with forms, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Forms. Click on the Create Form button to start a new form. You will be prompted to choose a form type. Select Embedded Form to capture leads directly from LinkedIn. Next, customize your form according to your requirements. Add the necessary fields that you want to include, like name, email, or phone number. Once your form is ready, click the Publish button. After publishing, copy the generated embed code provided by HubSpot. Now, open your LinkedIn account and navigate to your LinkedIn page or post where you want to insert the form. If you are posting on your LinkedIn page, click on the Start a Post area. In the Post Editor, look for the option to add a link. Paste the URL where your form is hosted. To integrate the form directly, you will need to add it to your LinkedIn post using a third-party tool, such as a landing page service or website. Make sure the third-party tool supports embedding HTML code. Follow the instructions on that tool's website to embed the HubSpot form. Once the form is embedded, share the post with your audience. Monitor the form submissions in your HubSpot account under the Forms section. Review the data collected to gauge the effectiveness of your LinkedIn lead capture efforts. Consider testing different form configurations to optimize lead generation. Regularly track engagement metrics from your LinkedIn posts to adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.